वेलकम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप सब ठीक होंगे। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं अक्सर खान, आपकी स्पेशल एजुकेटर एंड ट्रेनर। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट part 2, like alphabetical sounds with action A to M. I will share in the part 2 video to Z. Okay, alphabetical sound with action till Z. Okay, and what's your good name? Hello everyone, say hello everyone. Hello everyone. Yes, okay. So today we are going to discuss alphabetical sound with action to Z. Like, okay, now the next sound is after M. The next sound is N. Letter N sound. Letter N sound. Letter N sound. Like flying the aeroplane. Like this. Okay, what come after O? O. Letter O sound. O. Letter O sound. O. Like the switch on of the fan. O. 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 Like this. O. 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 Okay. Next word. What come after O? P. P. Letter P sound. P. Like P. Like this. Okay, what come after P? What come after P? Q. What come after P? Q. Letter Q sound. Ko. Like the quack, like the quack. Ko. Okay, what come after Q? What come after Q? R. Letter R sound. Sorry. Letter R sound. Like motorbike. Yes. Letter R sound. Yes. What come after R? S. What come after R? S. Letter S sound. Like snake. Yes, very good. What come after S? T. What come after S? T. Letter T sound. T. Like watching the tennis game. Watching the tennis game, like Okay, very good. What come after T? U. Letter U sound. Open the umbrella. Open the umbrella. Oh. Okay, what come after U? V. What come after U? V. Letter V sound. Like we are driving a car. We are driving a van. Okay, what come after V? What come after V? W. What come after V? W. Letter W sound. W. Like wings. W. 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 Yes, very good. Okay, what come after W? What come after W? X. Letter X sound. Like this. Taking a photographs. Okay, what come after X? Y. Letter Y sound. Y. Letter Y sound. Y. Like eating a yogurt. Y. 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 Okay, what come after Y? Z. Like a buzzing a bee. Buzz. Buzz. Letter Z sound. This one is the last sound. Okay, A till M. the sound discuss alphabetical sound with action. I will share part 1 A till N. Today we are going to discuss N till Z alphabetical sound with action. So everyone, thank you so much. Thank you so much by watching the video and like, share and subscribe my video and कनेक्ट रहेगा मेरी वीडियो से आप लोग का. जैसे अगर हम कोई भी चीज़ अपडेट करते हैं लाइक दिस कि कोई भी साउंड अपडेट है तो ऐसे शेयर करूँगी इंशाल्लाह. तो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़ एवरीवन. से अल्लाह हाफिज़ एवरीवन. अस्मा
अल्लाह हाफिज़.
वेरी गुड.